Let me show you a really simple way for deleting Facebook posts, all your old Facebook posts, or from a selected date range right on the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. And it's much easier on the Facebook mobile app. So if you're using facebook.com on your computer, just download the app and sign in, and I'll show you the rest of the process here. Let's open up the Facebook app. Next, we want to go to this menu option right here on the very corner of the page, and then you'll get the settings gear right on top. Okay, click settings, and sometimes they remove how you access settings, but right now that's how you get to settings. And on this page, you want to go to profile settings. This is a recent update here. And then you want to go to activity log. Okay, so if you scroll down, you should see a section here called activity log. Click that. And everything here you could manage. So I'm going to press manage your post here. And this is going to show all your old posts. Okay, you want to press filter right over here. And you want to actually choose a date. So if you choose this date option, it lets you select a start date. So this could go all the way back. I think I started on Facebook in 2005. So you could select that all the way to the current date. So that will give you a range. If you don't care about that, you could just leave the filter to all. This is going to show all your posts. Then if you do that, you could just press all right here. This is just based on this filter. And it's going to select everything on your Facebook page. And then you could either press trash, or if you don't want this to be permanent, you could go ahead and archive it. So it gets off your Facebook feed and your Facebook profile, but it will be in the archive folder here. So you can see archive and trash. But remember, make sure you select filter, choose a date range if you want. You could even choose a category. So if you just want text updates or photos or videos, or posts from other apps, you could choose based on this. I have it on all category across all dates for now. And that's it. Press trash and you're all set. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you next time.